Well, opening weekend of SEC baseball, the second season begins today. Texas coming in, winning 14 games in a row. Mississippi State, a team on a 5-game winning streak. 3-2, way outside, a leadoff walk to start the second.
He just missed with the fastball that time, left it arm side, and that's a leadoff walk.
The pitch. That ball ripped into left field and hit well. Back on the track and gone. A 2-run home run for Ryland Galvan. And it's a 2-0 Texas lead here in the top of the second. Hard hit ball to right field. Aaron Downs trying to field against the sun, and it slides by him and all the way to the wall. Hits the bag second, heads over to third, and Texas with a runner at third base. We'll see how they scored. It should be a triple. Snap throw back to third and thrown into the outfield. And a run will score. And through the right side for a base hit. They'll wave the runner around third. The throw comes back into the infield. A run will score. Schuessler goes first to third. Back up the middle and into center field, and we're tied. Gasparino will put the brakes on at second base. Schuessler comes in to score, and a hit batsman and 3 straight singles, and we're tied at 5. 3-2. That ball shot to left and way out of here, and Texas on a 3-run home run by Casey Borba takes an 8-5 lead.
Borba absolutely smokes this ball. 414 feet.
And 5 straight Longhorns have reached here in the 7th inning. 0-1. Ground ball left side, backhand play by Flores. Long throw, and Texas wins it. And Texas wins game 1, 8-7 over Mississippi State.